Hi, I'm Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to preview the 2018 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31K Class C motorhome. Beautiful, slightly used, only 25,000 miles on it. Got a really nice slide out here, an Onan 4 kilowatt onboard gas generator, slide topper, real easy access to your fills and dumps. Really, on a Class C, this is really one of the largest storage compartments I've seen. It's really a lot of storage in this one. And it's accessible from the back and the side over here. Got a full awning that comes off over the side here with a little more storage on the bottom here also. Go in and check out the floor plan real quick. Okay, first thing you notice here, it's got a really nice overhead bunk. It's easy to convert it back to the travel position. You just put the ladder up, flip this over the top, and you're there, okay? Really nice cockpit. Has cruise control, power windows, power door locks. Moving backwards, we've got a really nice sofa set up here. And it's directly across from your articulated television, so you got good TV viewing. Nice full counters, lots of counter space on this. 3-burner cooktop, microwave, and gas oven. Special on this one, it's got a full U-shaped dinette. It fits, I don't know, 4 to 6 people quite easily in there. Moving back. Got a full shower, it's got plenty of headroom, and a nice lav on the other side. Okay. And then moving back into the bedroom, you've got your emergency exit on this side, nice window on that side. They both open so you get really nice cross-through ventilation. Got a nice queen-size mattress with a wardrobe over there and lots of storage on each side. Again, this is the 2018 Winnebago 31K Class C. Any further questions on it, you can contact me, Jack.Weir, 541-654-1820, or send me an email at jack.weir@guaranty.com. Thank you very much.